Hey guys, it's Apollo here, and today I'm doing an unboxing of the 125 skill high grade Nemo. Alright, here is the box itself. Now, well, it's a gun suit. I wanted some gun suit for quite a while, and you know, it's funny that my friend actually sent me this. I mean, yeah, the box is dinged up because of how my never mind. Still don't know about that. So yes, Nemo, or Nemo, how you pronounce it. But I think the correct pronunciation is Nemo because of the color right there. Yeah, it's in. Yeah, let's go unboxing. So yeah, I didn't really expect him to give me this. To be fair, honest, I mean, aside from that super funny one, sorry, I'm not trying to do it here. If you saw the unboxing, you guys know why I'm sort of laughing right now. I just finished doing the unboxing of the Super Fumina. Now I'm doing that instead, this one right now. So yeah, well, I really want to get some guns for myself, and I never got a chance to until my friend decided, yeah, you know what, you don't have a lot of guns, why not I give you some? I was like, okay, fair enough. Nemo. Yep. Inside, yeah, the box art, it has the real grade Zeta and the real grade Mark II on there. That's pretty interesting. I mean, I've seen, I've never seen these guys on here, to be honest, but whatever. The Nemo, these are the Nemo in Japanese. I mean, this is back to 2013, so back then they didn't really have the English wasn't part in the manual yet, as for now. And on the side, you get his stuff you can do, basically what the Nemo can do. It has movable joints. The arms swing out. Is this a shield can fold? I'm not sure. And the amount of hand parts you got there was pretty interesting. And it reaches 1,500 yen. A little expensive for a gun suit, but you know, it is okay for what it is. First back we have the manipulator. I'm quite surprised actually. This isn't the kit. Basically, if I remember correctly, I think the Jester had this. I'm not sure. I mean, Jester might be the different mold. I'm not sure, but I know for sure this looks very familiar because Jester has something like this. What else? Okay, you got polycaps, and then you got the green armor and the joints. You got stickers, which, yeah, it's a lot of stickers especially for a high grade, especially I'm paying 15 yen. That's a lot of missing detail I need to fill in. But you know, it's okay. I mean, I know paint, so it's not a huge thing for me. In the back we have the CO armor, which is you get the green armor, as usual, and then you get the CO plate, which is all the joints and the weapons basically, and then you also get the visor for the Nemo. In the last side you have the A1 plate, which is all the dark blue parts, and then you got the beam sabers in clear green, which is kind of rare actually. You see, it's like have these, and you got the D plate, which are the yellow parts, basically the defense and the shield. Side, and there's the manual. I have to do the second time because someone interrupted me halfway, but yeah. So yeah, the Nemo is like I said, I've not much knowledge about the Nemo whatsoever, but I did see it in Unicorn, and yeah, frankly, it did well in the show, so might as well get one of these, I guess. I mean, here to me, so yeah, and the usual stuff. So yeah, that's my unboxing of the high grade Nemo. Again, I don't know when I would do anything. I mean, I have time, but if you guys follow my Instagram, you guys probably know that every couple weeks or so I do a little poll on my Instagram to ask what kits what should I build next. This will be one of them. Eventually, not immediately, but once the real grade Cosmo comes out, I will get that building first. Then I get the building reversible, and then when I get around to the next kit, I let you guys decide whether you want me to build this kit or another kit. I'm not sure. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, so guys, thank you guys for watching this unboxing, and stay tuned for more videos. Peace out.